guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta and welcome back to another Thursday video. By the way, congratulations on your results. I'm sure you all passed with flying colors. Even if you didn't, let's just imagine you all passed with flying colors. Alright, by the way, the progress in my life is that my hair can be braided now. Colleges are opening up, schools are opening up, and I thought it is imperative that I share the knowledge that this genius mind of mine has. So I thought it's time we do a video which is called How to Be Popular in College. Pen, paper, you and me, baby. It is extremely important that you stand out of the crowd. Now, typically a person like me with a sense of humor of a 12-year-old, I would crack a joke like stand out of the crowd. You mean outstanding, like out of the class. That's funny. Sorry. When you enter college, why should people notice you? Why should people know that, oh my god, look at that hottie walking up to me? Unless you make them do that. Here's some ways you can do it. 1. Wear spunky clothes. I mean, Ranveer Singh's airport wardrobe could be your model for the rest of your college life. Everything that ranges from a neon green to a neon orange is a go-go. Do not think twice before sporting it. Number 2, go for chunky accessories. You have amazing choices these days. I mean, back at our time, we didn't have that. But kids these days, you know, they sport these necklaces that say rich or swag or LOL or idiot. Go for them. They're gonna help you get naughty because trust me, I am a Kori. Nobody wears more gold than people at our weddings. But even I sometimes wear sunglasses when I see those necklaces. So it's foolproof, baby. Number 3 could be gelled up hair. I mean, I know it's a little passe, but everything is okay in college. You know that when you enter college, you're gonna see each and every type of weird in college, and it's best to be a part of it. Why don't you make gelled up hair your thing? I mean, horizontal, perpendicular, parallel, anyways good, whatever maths worked for you. That was just number 1. Can you believe I have like 4 more tips for you? You're welcome. Number 2, you need to make friends, and when you're in college, it's no one better to make friends with unless you're professors. Now you're gonna be like, Prajakta, how much of a loser do you think I am? But hear me out. It is important, my friend. Who is the one who's gonna give you your grades? Teachers. Who is the one who you might have to beg to just in case things go wrong halfway? Teachers. Make sure you're in good books with them. I mean, you can do all sorts of stuff with them. It's always fun to like have lunch with them, you know, gossip with them about their mother-in-laws, share recipes, get home cooked food for them, or I don't know, braid their hair. You could share some of your hair gel with your male professors. Go for it. Go all out in impressing your teachers and you will not come home disappointed.
Okay, so we need to appoint a student representative. Okay. Okay, can someone please collect everyone's homework? Okay, can you please carry my bag? Okay, can someone please scratch my left shoulder? It is itchy. I think I have lice in my hair.
Number 3 is not that pleasing, but you know, it's important for your life. So make friends with some student friends. Now, once you stay way too much with teachers, you're gonna need somebody to gossip and bitch about the teachers too. So that's when the students come in handy. I mean, trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. Now, it's kind of difficult to make friends once you go to college because it's like a whole different environment and it's really scary. But that's okay, I got you covered. You could do simple knickknacks like start rumors about yourself. Trust me, it's a tried and tested method. Nothing works better. Hi, I am Prajakta. Did you hear that there is some girl named Prajakta in this college who is Ranveer Singh's girlfriend? Hi, I'm Prajakta. Nice to meet you. Did you hear that there's this girl called Prajakta who has been awarded the most sexiest woman alive? Soft hints, my friend. Soft hints. Not too much in the face. Just keep dropping poop, 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 soft hints. Now, all of these things are going to take a lot of your time. So by the time you reach to number 4, you're going to be like 3-4 months into college life already. So number 4 is being unique. Now, this is gonna take you to kind of have a good rapport with people around you so that people actually notice you being yourself. Now, there's a few things, activities that you could do in order for people to know you and for people to, you know, think that you are so different. Like, for example, you know, you could talk to yourself. I mean, that always helps. Argue even better. You shut up. No, you shut up. No, you shut up. Oh my god, you are ugly. Oh my god, did you just call me ugly? Shut up. Alright, fine. I'm gonna shut up the day you become pretty. Did you just? Oh yeah, I don't know you. Oh yeah, I did. Ah! LOL.
Okay, today we will basic which we have learned all through our school life, but we still children now.
Yeah, people are gonna think you're crazy at first, but then they're gonna really respect you for being you. And now finally, number 5 is what comes in when your college festival kicks in, baby. That's the time to shine. That is the time you get rid of all your inhibitions and go all out in making sure that you are the most popular person on campus. Ready? 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 Here it comes. Here it comes. Here's the secret. Be Bollywood. Now, a lot of you guys are gonna think like, yeah, right, Prajakta, you are so cheesy. You are such a drama queen. But hey, that's what got me to be the most famous girl in college. So do that. Make sure that everything you do during college fest is so Bollywood. Girls are literally gonna fall in Bollywood love with you.
Okay, children, today we will
Ja,
learn
Simran, ja.
mathematics. Shut up, sit down, shut up and sit down, you. No dancing on college. No, sit, get out.
Alright, so that was my guide about how to be amazingly popular in college. But you know, sometimes when I tell people about this, they look at me like I'm all crazy and just be like, Prajakta, stop talking. I'm so glad you guys understand me. Also, now that you're done watching this video, why don't you go to Google for me and type a word, write it down, SARCASM. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos every Tuesday and every Thursday, baby. By the way, coming Tuesday is a video which you all know I shot and you all are very excited about, so wait for it. And then next Thursday, I'll be back with another bunch of nonsensical bunch of nonsense. So yeah, I'm glad we settled on that. I will see you again next week until we meet. Love, love.
Sit down, shut up and sit down, you. No dancing on college. No, sit, get out.